welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Lanchi. For today's video, as a comeback, we are going on a trip and everybody is here and we are going down south. So, Kathy is here for the saan pang Bijoy og Sigor and Kent. Hi Sir Kent. And si Roldan, of course, akong driver. Uy. So guys, watch out sa among spots nga doon kay it's January 3, 2021 and it calls for a road trip. So, I'll continue my vlog later. See you there. Stop over Manhuyod, bathroom break. Bahilo daw may motor guys. Okay? Sige, asam ko sakit-sakit. Touchdown, Jollibee Bais!
One eternity later.
Done with our lunch, and now we're off to, where are we going? Singapore?
Hey guys, so we're on our way to our next stop. And we don't know asa mo ang next stop, so
Kabalo.
we'll
Hi guys!
let the boys take the lead. Charot. So bahala na sila.
Bahala may awan sa may madala sa hangin karong adlaw guys, pero dili na siya may magpahapon, you know.
Okay, so see you later. Look guys, gafog! Oh my goodness! Guys, we're finally here. This is the entrance. So if you're planning to come here, muna nyo muna makitaan. So wala pa. Kaayo makuha. Ayan. Awa ang fog. Hala, uy, mura man nag... Creepy man, uy. Creepy kayo. So, ano siya ang entrance. So, this is the model. Official model sa Cafe Alicia. So, guys, open siya from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So,
Welcome to my house.
wala pa lang sila koan. Kaning. Wala pa lang sila proper nga sign. Tumawa niya siya. Oh my gosh, it's so foggy. This is Cafe Alicia.
Welcome to my house, guys. It's my house. It's like pink and gray and motif. Yeah, I like pink.
Ano bilang? Uy, layo kay in fairness.
Layo,
Uy, kuan kaayo tangason kaayo. Uy, tanawa ko lang fog. O, di ka makuratan, ana. Tanawa.
Ako talikuan na.
Ano na kuning yung bulan niya? Oh, gyud, bumot ni. Dayon consumable na sa taas, ug mapalit ka dito, i-discount to tong 50.
Ay, as in?
Kayo din.
Ah, nice. So, na ay 50 pesos nga entrance, guys.
Oh, then i-discount na dito sa kuha.
Ah, so i-discount na daw na dito if nakay paliton. So guys, unsay feeling ninyo? Tugnaw kay siya, grabe niya. First time na ko makakita sa fog up close. Ito ang good oh. Oh, sana all. Look at kagalang-galang na Norso instructor.
Hi, guys. Vlog takeover. Since the people behind me are very busy with the payment. Yeah. We're here in Cafe Alicia. Hi, Lon! Hi! Tugnawa diri South Korea, guys! Darawang umpa! Okay na?
Ay guys, kaya ilang ko ani ron exit sa
6, 7.
diskuhan na ako.
Okay ka, Doy? Sige, Jog, yaw-yaw, layo pa. Sige, bito ko ingon mo. Boarding ko nga layo pa. Layo pa.
Sige.
So hangin kay diri guys. So we're finally here at Cafe Alicia. Kita ang logo.
Yeah, look
And
at that. We're sorry for the background video ko.
so again, 50 pesos ang entrance. And we got stamped. Hala, na-blur akong stamp.
Me too. I got my stamp.
Ah, look.
Okay. Ilayuan just biyahe, guys. Ako. Dagang kayong tao. Okay. Hi, Lon.
Ayo patsad tawo karon kay medyo trending ang Cafe Alicia lately, right? Gitugnaw ka.
Gitugnaw ka?
Gitugnaw. Okay, so guys, we are on our way to the chapel. Uy, ngit-ngit yun siya.
Ngit-ngit yung siya,
Because
guys.
of the fog, maybe. Uy, na ay gym. Gym na. Awakat. Lako sa bus. Awa sa bus. Na. Unsa na? Unsa na? Wala siguro na ara diha.
Zipline na. Zipline na. Ikaw ay Columbia tayo.
Kurente. Uy, tanawa ko ang fog.
Yeah.
Zipline na kuno ka na.
Stop and drop.
Dili, likid sa imong sakyan.
So we are on our way.
Murag ako
Into
murag
the
ako.
chapel.
Murag ako tag-iyaan ni no?
Vlog takeover bitaw.
Yeah, take over.
So again guys, this is my comeback vlog. Char. Kay
After 10 years.
maningkamot na ko ron 2021. Kay
Isang tao, guys. Well, you should maintain distancing sana.
guys, it's currently fogging. Wala tuwa na dyan. Wala dyan. Oh!
First time siya nakapag.
Tinakpan ko.
Oh, nga nung pods mo Kalaon. Hindi lang ni mo matouch ang fog.
Naligsik pa. Coach, naligsik pa.
Anyang.
Tala daw. Gawas na tato. Wala daw. Taligsik daw. Ito siguro. Siguro ka-emote. Ka-emote siguro. Ali, atatan. Ay. Can you hear that sound? That super windy. Photo shoot sa boys.
Guys, na all developed. Tanaw.
Oh guys, grabe kay ang fog diri. Look at that fog. We are so high up here. It's like a sea of clouds, but it's not the clouds. Nindot bakat ang shots. This is our photographer, Catherine. Hoy, si Kati po niya guys, is solo. Look at that fog. Grabe. Look at that fog, guys. We're so high up here and it's fogging. Catherine. Catherine. Enjoy. Fog. It's almost covering the screen. And everyone's staying inside. Wala na yung ulan? Wala na. Uy, mga waterproof oh. Sporty. Si Kendra lagi dili waterproof diha. Awa, ito mga waterproof oh. 4D, si Gore, si Roldan. Mga waterproof o mga kagwang. The fog. Inugduol sa fog kay mo ulan. Cut, try daw ta ato nga angle cut. More nice po dito. So this is the back part of the chapel. So chapel pa lang niya itong gitour guys. Uy, pag sulti diha cut ko. Dito daw ka cut o di ka mahadlok. Sige daw. So, grabe dyan akong photographer, oy. Pwede na ako mailisan si Nini. Achar! Ay, joke na to din, oy. Uy, Catherine, paghinay, di na! Wait, sa. Wala na sad! Oh my gosh! Uy, this is crazy!
Wala na po dun, wala na po.
Sige. Uy, haladzay! Uy, binuang. May pagadalo, tagpayong. Ano? So guys, 360 tadi ka angle. Suggest if mo anhin mo din you better bring an umbrella. Kay anytime mukalitra og ulan. Look. Oh guys, it's fogging. Grabe ka fog. Awa na. Leaving the chapel. Kay grabe ka ulan. Mukalitra og ulan. And it's so foggy. Awa akong glasses oh. Pero grabe jud ang fog. So guys, look. Grabe ka foggy. It's my first time to be in the middle of this foggy place. Yeah.
in a foggy place.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
So how's the feeling?
Okay
Very
ra.
nice, diba?
It's very blurry. I wish I had contacts.
Tapos
Kay
ala, imong eyes.
oh, din akong glasses ko tong basa.
Kuha na siya.
Yeah, hello guys. As in, nice diri. Nice man sad nga na ay.
Summer.
Yeah. Nice man sad nga na ay fog. But every now and then, muulan. Ang gikutasan ko. Nawala na silang 4D. Kani. Ay, dira. So guys, we are on our way. Oh, sa bridge.
Mura ko okay.
Imong hood. Na sila? Asa? Oh my gosh, so ara sila dito.
I feel betrayed.
Kitik. So this is the bridge. This is their playground. Kids only. Pero kids pang po. Char. Bridge. Victoria, bahalag ulan. Catherine, okay ra ka? Catherine, are you okay? Wow. Uy guys, ang fog na apo diri. Grabe ka foggy. Catherine.
Okay.
Ay, hala.
I'm
leaving the bridge and we're off to another spot. So this is the famous net shot dire. So I think wala lang ni risk ng wari ko ron kay basa. Though we were not able to dine in kay daghan kay tawo, but we still enjoyed the view. Yay! Okay ra, di ba? But nag-all mi sa 50 pesos.
Ayaw.
Nag-all si Bijoy sa 50 pesos.
Okay. Wala ka dahil.
Gani, no? Like, wala man ka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 350. Gani. 350. Makapalit ako si Bijoy atong pila to doy. Looks familiar.
Looks family.
Hoy, Julie! Oh, gani. My gosh, so it's a small world after all. So, bye, Cafe Alicia. Thank you. Timpura, insert everybody.
Insert Indian makeup.
Stopover sa Arriba Pamplona chair. Arriba Pamplona. Guys, nag-bathroom hunting me. I mean comfort room hunting kay paghihion na dyan may kain. Naghahanap po kami ng CR.
Tanong kayo ba?
Ang sama ng CR diri sa Pamplona. Ato ta, oh, ato ta. Tayo to diri. Dali. Mas house na. May natagpuan po kaming patay na.
Yun, report and then
Gani Among Us. Uy, nice kay ilang balay. Who owns this house? It's so nice po. This is my dream house, charot.
full of Christmas decor.
Naanig akong ganahan unta.
This is your dream house?
Ay, this one too. At ito rin. Dream house ko din to.
Yeah.
Yan. Mama, look.
Magigit na dinanoy.
So we are here here at Pamplona Church. Na sila yung Lux. Look! Ah, love Lux. Charot kaayo. Pero, look, love Lux. Pero panghihiyo na yun si Kati. Ako pod. Napajud. Oh, napajud di ay ang Lux. Thank God. Ta na may bathroom. So guys, naaday mi diri sa Our Lady of the Pilar Parish. Mana ka? Ako na po.
Vlog takeover, guys. So we're done weeing, peeing, and everything. So, asa ta sunod? Dere mi sa church sa Pamplona. Very nice kayo ang place. Super. Like, bet yun ako ang simbahan as in. Yan. Murag na imisa karon, guys.
The Pilar Parish here in Pamplona. Okay, sakto dyan. Our Lady of the Pilar Parish.
So we're here. Stop over before going home.
Entering the church. So we're here at Candyland. So lots of candy houses. There's the Belen. There. Nice, no? Then they have a mini playground. A mini house. Ang swing. Kakikuan lang.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my candy house. Sorry.
We're going na jud. Final na jud ni. Another stopover.